Hey you guys, so we back with another hair tutorial. So today we're gonna do like a bohemian Lisa Bonet inspired look. If I can, I'll insert a picture. If not, you just wait till the end, babe. Okay, so we got I got different type of locks, okay? And with this one, I'm going to incorporate some bundles. This is not like a company I know of. I just got it off of Amazon, but if you like how the curls look or whatever, then I'm gonna put everything down below. So, but if y'all want to know, the name is this. I don't want to hack it. I'll put it on the screen. But I just got Water Wave. This is my first time opening the pack. Okay, so this is the hair. It's Water Wave. I think I got 18 or 16, 18, and 20. I'm not sure, but like I said, everything will be down below. It smells like regular bundle hair. The ends are kind of dry. The rest of it isn't, but that's nothing. I can just put some oil and conditioner and just make sure it's moisturized. But yeah, this is the hair. This is their Water Wave. It's going to look much better once I, finesse it and everything. So I'm guessing this one is the 16. I don't know. And we got, oh, this is the 16. What was that one? Oh, that was the 18. And then this one is the 20. So I'm not gonna open them all right now. Just a second. This is how they gave you. This is how they gave you the wig cap, like this. They said, here, take it. Y'all don't put no love in this, and this is all they gave. They didn't give no clips or nothing, Lord. Anyway. Alright, so now we get to the locks. Sorry, I'm like everywhere. I'm using different locks, like I said before. I don't have nothing out, so you're gonna hear a bunch of. Are you okay with that? If not, fast forward. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Okay, so these locks, right? I like these because they have the little curly ends at the bottom. Now, I think you can crunch it up and curl it however you want. I don't think this is human hair, but everything will be down below, like I keep saying. But I like these because they have this. So, that's what I got. I'm not going to put y'all through the paper noise, so let me just open that. Okay, and this one, oh, this one is a little curlier. You see? It's a little curlier. So we have the straight pieces. They like wavy. Then we have like curly. Give it like a variety. You see the variety? Although I might just do this. I'm not sure. Might put a couple of these in here for variety, And then, so with this one, the more curly one, it came with a crochet needle, and that's it. The other one didn't come with anything. I'm starting to think if you're not like a person that they send it to, they don't send a lot. I don't know. I mean, because I get companies that send me stuff, and it's like way more stuff in this. But also when I buy, I get stuff. So I don't know. Maybe it's just these companies or this company. But yeah, so I like it so far. We have the curly, the kind of wavy, and then we're going to have this in between. So it's going to give what it needs to give. Trust the process. So, Let me prep everything and then we can get started, love bug. Okay, so don't be saying nothing about my braids, because this was a style, this was a install from another thing, and I only wore it for like 4 days, that hairstyle, so I was not trying to redo these. So what you want to do is you want to braid, you know, braid. Do I got the kinks? Because y'all don't like to tell me when I got the kinks. So I ain't finna keep turning around and I got the kinks and y'all don't tell me. So I'm gonna just fix it before y'all can even think about laughing, because I'm not with it. You know what I'm saying? Fast forward. We don't want to see this part because I'm keeping it in. Alright. Get her good and ready. Boom. Yeah, alright. Okay. So, yes, braid, you know. So, if you know how to do this, you know how to do this, right? If you don't, I'll make a separate video. But I think I probably got, like, in-depth videos. Who knows? So, you can actually, which I do have a video on this. And I'll put it right here or wherever on the screen. But you can actually not have individuals and just cornrow it all back and then just crochet it like that. I wanted individuals because this time I just wanted like it. I just wanted it like that. So I think I'm going to start off with, I separated them so I can know which ones I want to use first. Then when I put them together. So I'm going to use the extra curly ones at the bottom. And all I'm going to do is take a crochet needle and just crochet along this line. And yeah. And then after those, I think I will put the weaving hair in it. Yeah, I think, because I didn't make a plan up of what I wanted to do. Hold on. Get this crochet needle. Oh, this is a brand new one. I don't like to keep opening brand new ones, but the other crochet is over there. So what was I saying? Okay. So all you gotta do is open the hoop. Today's been trying me. You ever had a trying day? Okay. And you put it through. You hook it on. You put the latch up. You pull it through. And you put this through the hole. If you didn't know how to do it. But I'm sure you guys know how to do it by now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go along the lines of the perimeter of the braiding pattern. I'm going to put all the curly ones. Maybe a pack and a half. Yeah, maybe a pack and a half of the extra curly. Then I'm going to put the weaving hair, and then I'm going to put the wavy hair. And then I think I'm going to just keep alternating. I'm going to show y'all the process because I might switch in between. Who knows? So, yeah. Watch me work. Okay, so this is the 20-inch as y'all saw in the video I showed you guys. So the only thing I want to tell y'all is that I'm going to leave it double wefted like this. I'm not going to cut it. Yeah, that was it, I think. This bundle is softer than the first bundle I picked up. I think that's the 16. It's softer than that. The ends is still... Nah, the ends is softer than the 16. Smells so good. Okay, watch me work. All I'm saying is, do y'all see the vision? Do y'all see the vision. So when I'm done, I should be like halfway done, and then I'm gonna show y'all because I'm beasting. All right, watch me work. We good? We good? So, I'm gonna put some curlies in the front. I want to save that for the demo so you guys can see, just see throughout the hair, basically what I was doing. So, I want y'all to see how I put the curlies in. So that's why I left that demo for you guys. It doesn't look much like I have all the curls in right now, but I promise you, it looked real good. I promise you. So I will do like a you know, after with my makeup done and me all dressed up or whatever. Cause right now it's giving real just locks. You can't see the curliness, but it's cool. So I'm gonna show you what I was doing. I got this one. This is the extra curly piece. This is not the wavy piece. So what I was doing was I was just putting some, you could use jam, you could use lock gel, you could use, I wouldn't say use edge control because I don't know, it might get flaky and white. So I would just say if you don't want to use lock gel, then just use jam. But I'm using lock gel because that's what I choose to do today. So I'm just going to put it on my roots because I need to make them look a little fresh, a little brand new. But they lock so you don't have to go crazy, right? So we're going to loop it. It's a mess over here. Okay. So we're going to loop it. Make sure this is open, you guys. It has to be open or it will hurt. Poop that through like that. Hook that on like that. Put that up like that. The latch goes up, it goes through, and boom. Right? What's that on my arm? A sticker. Then we put it through the hole. If y'all didn't catch what I was doing, I'm just showing you guys now. And normally, well, I used to like unravel it and then put my hair through, but I'm not. I'm now doing just putting it like this and then wrapping it around, for the simple fact that when I stop wrapping, I know where my hair is, so I know where not to cut. You know what I'm saying? So I'll show you. So I'll just say like this. So I know that when it stopped getting so textured, that's where I stop. So this is where my hair is, and then the rest of it is the lock. So I know when it's time to cut it out, cut right here or a little under that. You know what I'm saying? Okay. I hope you got it. I forgot to mention what we wrapping our hair is with the water wave. I'll put a brand down. I like, I think 3 brands, but like I said, I'll put everything down below so you don't have to worry about me not telling you anything. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick out the hair. Now I already cut it off the weft, and I got about this much left of the 20, so that's good. And I only use the 20 inch bundle. So I'm just gonna use whatever curly I have left. So what I was doing is when you cut it off the weft, you got to take the excess hair off, and all you got to do is just pull and then the excess hair off. But make sure you get all of it off or it's gonna come out in your hair, baby. We don't want that. Make sure you holding it pretty sturdy while you pulling it, because then the rest of the hair go with it. Okay, so now we got our passion twist, right? Oh, it's this one, but we're gonna use both anyway. I split it in half. So we got our passion tips. What we want to do is, it's going to be kind of difficult for me to show you guys because I'm in the front. But I'm going to do my best. So we get about this much here on the lock like this, right? And we're going to grip that. So we gripping the lock here. I mean, the weave here, the lock, and my braid. Now for the people that don't do it like this, you can unravel it, and wrap your braid around, and then wrap the let me slow down. For the people that's not doing the method like me, you can open the lock up and put your hair in it. Wrap the lock around your braid, and then you do the passion, the water wave hair. You just wrap it around. But for the people that's gonna do the method like me, it's basically the same thing. I'm just not unraveling this because I don't want to. So we're gonna put it like this, and I'm gripping everything, right? Let's kind of get up to the root. This part, I'm just gonna move it out my way because I don't need it right now. And then I'm gonna leave some here. It's a lot of gripping, but it's worth it, right? So now we're going to turn. See, we're gonna turn. Just always get that out, and if it gets stuck in, it's fine. You can actually, what I was doing was I was just wrapping it around real quick to get the root, to make it tight, and then I would pull it back out and then begin to wrap again. I hope y'all caught that. If y'all don't, you know YouTube have a thing where you can slow it down. Seriously, I didn't. It took me a minute to find it out. So you can slow what I was saying down. Right now I'm just twisting. Make sure you twist a little tight because you don't want the weave here to come out. And I'm saying that to y'all right now because I didn't even twist that tight up there. So wherever the weave here is, make sure you twist it tight right there, because when you're like styling your hair, or you know, whatever with your hair, you don't want that weaving hair to come out. I mean, you can make a whole joke about it, but like, who wants their hair to be coming out outside? You know what I'm saying? So now I'm just getting the rest, and I'm just twisting. There is always an in-depth video of what I'm doing, probably in another video. If I can find it, I'll put it right up there for you guys. And now, when you get to the end, like I am at the end, all you have to do is take it and tie it basically in a knot like that, and then just keep going around like so. Do one of these and you're done. So now do a pull test. She's good. Okay. Now, I mean, we're done. So I would basically, what else I would do is put some hair jewelry on. But like I said, I'm gonna do all of that when I get myself together. But she's cute. I like her. She's giving. Hello. Next time I'll probably do a little bit more curlies in the front, but the thing is, I just didn't want that much curlies in the front for my first time, because you know, you guys, this is my first time doing it like this. Yeah, I know your girl's good. Your girl is real good. But like I said, I will show you guys how I look all together. But so far, I'm proud. I'm a proud person. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the baby ears and all that, and y'all gonna see it. All right. Stay tuned for the finished look.